watching for boat.
Okay, guys, coming in here, I have a surprise for you. We're still in Paris, and guess what, guys? This is in my neighborhood. I didn't even know that I have a beautiful neighborhood like this. Okay. When every time I want to go to trip, I go by the trip planners. They are the one who choose the place. I want to go to Paris. I will tell them that I'm going to Paris, and they will be the one to choose the place for me. So they choose the place. They told me that I told them because I'm so stressed. I just want a place where I can relax, have a good sleep, and just something to rest myself because my stress level was very high, guys. So they choose this place. I remember that the apartment was very expensive, but I didn't know the reason why this place was chosen. They told me that I was not going to regret. That's the best place ever. Okay. But they didn't go into details with me. Georgia, move or go on this side like that. But then this place is a place touristic. So a lot of people travel just to come here. And we are surrounded by the water. This is where my neighborhood is surrounded by the water. I can show you my neighborhood here. So that's why the apartment is very expensive. Because this is I would say the richest place, for rich people. You see their buildings, you see the different. You see the buildings, how the buildings are very different. And this neighborhood is surrounded by water. It's just surrounded by water. Okay? But they didn't go into detail with me. I did 2 weeks and I tried to figure out why am I here? What is the news? What's good about this neighborhood? Because they didn't go into details with me. They didn't go into detail me, okay, where we find into details with me. They didn't go into detail me, okay, where we find a place, just walk 5 minutes down, you find a place touristic. Tell me, okay, where we find a place, just walk 5 minutes down, you find a place touristic. Guess what we are missing? That's what I missed the whole time. The amazing, the heaven place that I miss. I went to Lyon. I missed the whole time. The amazing, the heaven place that I miss. I went to Lyon. I was like, oh, Lyon, look, I have missed during where I'll be secure. I have nobody coming in. I'm with my son. I don't have nobody here. I want to be protected. So I always with my son. I don't have nobody here. I want to be protected. So I always find a place where there is a high security. And then that's it. Never find this place with high security, but didn't know we had a heaven. Guys, this is amazing. Okay, explore this. Now, back on me. I'm gonna go here. And now, and they show me this amazing place. If my watch wasn't lost, I would not know this. If my watch wasn't lost, I would not know this place. Because I lost my watch. Look at what I found. And if my watch wasn't lost, I would not know this place. Because I lost my watch. Look at what I found. And guys, who is here? Where are you guys? I don't see you guys. I'm exploring, guys. Anyway, I never knew that my vacancy planner has this for me. I was like, you guys, what is the amazing here? Ja, they have something. Jojo enjoy this vacation. Next vacation, I don't know if it's gonna be Joe Maya or Charlie. But I don't know if we're gonna come back here because this place is expensive. Come on this way. That's why they're gonna launch the boat, isn't it?
No.
They haven't launched it yet.
No.
They're launching the boat.
I want to take a picture of the boat.
Let it finish first. It comes with a machine.
I thought the machine. I think the machine is already there.
Yeah, they're gonna fix the machine as well.
I think the machine is already there.
Yeah, they're gonna fix the machine as well. They're gonna fix it. Guys, tell me what you guys are thinking about this place. I missed this. I didn't know. Because they didn't go into details. You guys are thinking about this place. I missed this. I didn't know. Because they didn't go into details. Jean, welcome to our live. We are now exploring. Waiting for them to do that. Let me just go this way. We are waiting for them to launch the boat. That's what I miss, guys. I didn't know that my vacation planner have this for me. I know the package was expensive, but I didn't know. For me to find out today by the police officer telling me, did you explore? You are in the nicest neighborhood ever. Oh, how did you get here? Wow. And this place was like around the corner. And I didn't know. I'm so happy. I have to lose my watch to be informed. Yeah. But it's okay. During the 2 weeks time, we had a very good sleep. We had a very good rest. Yeah. But we are happy. We are happy. We still have more time to explore. Mais Linda Santo, merci network. Okay, here guys, I'll show you again. They are launching the boat, and we're gonna watch them launching the boat. Okay, guys, we're waiting for that. Let's go show you them launching the boat, and we're gonna watch them launching the boat. Okay, guys, we're waiting for that. Let's go show you them image. The reason why the place was so expensive. The reason why the place was so expensive, I did not know. The vacancy planner didn't go through the reason why he had chosen this place. Now I see. And I am 5 minutes away from this palace. That's this heaven. 5 minutes. My house is just around the corner. If I go down, it's around the corner. If I go down there, turn, that's around the corner. My house is right there. And I'm like 5 minutes away from this para. I didn't even know. I didn't know. If somebody didn't snatch my watch, my smartwatch, and I have to call police to trace my watch, I will not know. The police officer are the one who informed. L'emplacement était vraiment cher. Ok? Quand j'ai demandé que je voudrais aller en vacances, j'ai demandé demain était vraiment cher. Ok? Quand j'ai demandé que je voudrais aller en vacances, j'ai demandé de me trouver une place pour que je puisse me reposer. Mais mon appartement était tellement cher que je me demandais mais pourquoi c'est trop cher? Et je ne savais pas que j'avais une place aussi bien choisie. Hein? Il a fallu qu'on m'arrache ma montre et que j'appelle la police pour me plaindre. La police retrouve ma montre et puis ils m'ont demandé de mon quartier. Je leur disais, c'est eux qui me font découvrir maintenant le quartier. C'est eux qui me disent, moi j'ai déjà fait 2 semaines sans découvrir ceci. Et je suis maintenant à 5 minutes de cet emplacement. C'est la police qui m'informe de l'emplacement, la raison pour laquelle j'étais ici, je ne savais même pas. Vraiment un paradis. Vraiment un paradis. Ah ouais, c'est pas grave. On a encore 2 semaines pour explorer. On n'a pas encore perdu. Yeah. Mais ça me ferait mal si je partais sans découvrir ceci. Zulu. Yeah. Et je suis très contente. Déjà, j'ai fait déjà une réservation. La semaine prochaine, le samedi, on va aller faire le tour dans le bateau. Voilà. Déjà, j'ai fait déjà une réservation. La semaine prochaine, le samedi, on va aller faire le tour dans le bateau. Voilà. Et puis bon. Et on va vraiment explorer. Waouh. Très joli. Et je fais découvrir un peu. Ils vont lancer le bateau. Le bateau se prépare déjà. Ils vont lancer le bateau et puis nous, on va les regarder lancer ça. Jojo, what are you doing?
I'm going to
Throw the rocks. Be careful, I don't want to move. You don't move there, you stay here like me. Parce que ceci, c'est très dangereux. Here, like me. Parce que ceci, c'est très dangereux. Ah ouais. Ouais, on vient d'arriver d'un voyage, on était à Lyon, on vient à peine d'arriver, et puis bon, comme la police a dit, il fallait que je vienne découvrir. On ne va pas rester ici longtemps. Yeah, on ne va pas rester ici longtemps, on va vite. Comme la police a dit, il fallait que je vienne découvrir. On ne va pas rester ici longtemps. Yeah, on ne va pas rester ici longtemps, on va vite partir. Parce que je me sens déjà fatiguée.